Just off the banks of the mighty Mississippi, at the very doorstep of the gateway to the West, you'll find Henry Street. A drive along this iconic road reveals some of the area's most historic residences, none more magnificent than 1014 Henry. Perched above the street, this home offers a vantage point as desirable as it is rare. Step inside, and history greets you at every turn. Ceilings soar, rooms open grand and inviting, and a sophisticated elegance flows throughout. Yet somehow, you instantly feel at home.
Man, if walls could talk. We ready? Evidence suggests that Lincoln and Kennedy have sat in this very room. What would these walls say if they could talk?
You can feel a love, a care. You can feel a uniqueness. You can feel a lot of family. It's really a hard mix of like this really impressive giant home, historically accurate with all of the antiques and everything else and everything and all the character, but it's inviting. And I think it's always been inviting. It's really hard. It's not cold. It's not like a museum. It's just like a really warm, welcoming place. And that's really magic, to be honest.
Among its many spaces, the office may be the most inspiring, filled with character and presence. Beyond that, you'll discover a spacious kitchen, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and an upper-level family room. Best of all, this historic masterpiece has been thoughtfully updated, seamlessly blending timeless architecture with modern-day comfort.
It's super accessible. I think it's just, in terms of distance, it's so close. We have a city just across the river, but this is a totally different vibe than St. Louis. It's a little quieter, it's a little bit slower pace, but there's a lot happening here too. You can go to a ball game, or you can go to a city museum, or you can hit any of those things and then come back and, be back in your own neighborhood.
The home was originally built around 1850. By Samuel Wade. It stayed in his family for generations. Then it transitioned to the Kinster family of Kinster Concrete, on to Dr. Carroll and his family. Then around 1999 actually, the Hopkins family bought it, put a lot of love, a lot of money into bringing this thing back to life to its current glory. We are now ready for the next chapter in this home.
Outdoors, the property expands into nearly 2 acres of privacy in the heart of town. An oasis offering endless possibilities for entertaining, gathering, and everyday living. So come experience a community rich in history and innovation. Come visit 1014 Henry, a home ready to write its next chapter. Stotler Brown, Jameson Sotheby's International Realty.